Hello guys, so today we are here to solve the daily LeetCode challenge for the day. This challenge is remove subfolders from the file system. Okay, so as soon as I saw this problem, folders and file systems and all these things, lot of slashes and all, to me it looks like that this is going to be a boring problem. Okay, actually speaking. Okay, but since we are since this is a problem and we have to solve this, that feeling is always there in us. So that's why we should let's at least give it a try. It may not be that boring and that complex. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so this was what I felt initially about this problem, but even then I persisted about solving it. And and in order to solve it, we need to go through the problem statement. Okay, so what this problem statement is saying, so if we look at it, it's saying that given a list of folders, so this list of folders name is folder. Okay, we have to return the folders after removing all subfolders in those folders. Okay, we have to return the folders after removing all subfolders in those folders. You may return the answer in any order. Okay, so we are given a list of folders. Okay, and these folders contain subfolders. Okay, but we have to return only the top level folders. Okay, so we are given a list of folders and these folders are nested. Some folder is nested inside the other folder. Okay, and if it is nested inside the other folder, those folders we don't have to keep in the count. We have to return only the top level folders. Okay, so that is clear in this problem. Now if a folder is located within another folder, here it is mentioning if a folder I is located within another folder, it is called subfolder of J. So if folder I is located within another folder J, then folder I is the subfolder of folder J. Okay, and it's also saying that a subfolder of folder J must start with folder J. Okay, and followed by slash. So it's saying that start with folder J followed by slash. So this is this is the condition to figure out whether a folder is subfolder of another folder or not. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So to solve this problem, see, we need to locate all folders and subfolders. We need to cluster them together. See, this array may not have all the folders and subfolders appearing together. What we need to do that we should make them come together in the array. And what is the way to do that? The way to do it is sorting. Okay, sorting makes the similar things appear together. Okay, and that is what we are going to use here. Okay, and what is the another benefit of sorting? The benefit of sorting is that if let's say slash a is there and slash a slash b is there. Okay, then sorting will put slash a in front of slash a slash b. Okay, and this slash b will come after all the slash a's, slash a slash b slash a, they all will come before whatever is coming starting with slash b. Okay, so this is the benefit of sorting. So we can understand that we need to sort here. We definitely need to do sorting here. Okay, and with this we are going to go ahead and solve this problem. Okay, so let's have a look at this problem statement and then we will solve this. So here we need to take the length of the folder dot length. Okay, we need to take that length and then we need to sort it. Okay, as I had said that we need to sort this arrays dot sort and then we have to put folder. Okay, like this. And then what we have to do here, arrays dot sort is folder. Okay, so we will sort that, and then what we will do that we need to have a list of strings. So this list of string is going to store the result. Okay, so this list of string is going to store the result. okay. And then here what we will do that, we will write one loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than n plus I, okay. And see, we have now sorted it, so all the folders, top level folders, subfolders, they are all appearing together. And moreover, the smallest top level folder will be appearing first, okay. So we will in this we can go through this and we'll check this. First of all, if the result dot size, okay, is equal to 0, if it is 0, then that first thing will be whatever is the first element of this folder array, that should be added to the result list, no problem. Folder of I, okay. But there is one more condition where we need to put the things. The other condition is that if something is not a top level folder, if something is a subfolder, then also we need not put that thing in the result list. So how to check that? To check that, what the problem statement itself was showing that a subfolder of folder J must start with folder J followed by slash, okay. A subfolder of folder J must start with folder J followed by a slash, okay. So if something is subfolder of a folder, so see, the thing is here is that the if the slash a slash b is there and slash a is there, so after sorting, if these two things are there in the folder array, okay, these two things slash a slash b and slash a, then after sorting, slash a will come before slash a slash b, okay. And if it is coming before slash a slash b, then obviously the top level one is the first folder, first string, okay, and we are including that in the result list. And then when we are coming to this slash a slash b, so the check is that this entry, this particular entry, so let's say folder of I, okay, the second entry, folder of I dot, so in the string there is this method called starts with, and then we will be getting the last entry of the result dot get, and then result dot size -1, okay. And see, must start with a folder J followed by slash, okay. So this is the thing, so this folder J must start with, okay, result, so this is going to give us the last entry in the result list, because when it is empty we have entered something. So to check whether it is a subfolder or not, we have to add one slash here as per the problem statement. Must start with folder J followed by a slash a. So with this we have done this, and then okay, we have done this, and then what we will do, yeah, so I think yeah, so this is the folder, this is telling whether this is a subfolder or not. But we don't want subfolder, we want only top level folder, so we have to negate this, okay. And here we can just return this result, okay, and then we run this, okay. This is good, okay. But see, we are always calling result dot size and all these things, okay. Can we get rid of this? I think we can get, see here what we need to do, we need to check the current entry in the folder array with the last entry which we inserted in the result list. So if we get hold of that result entry which we inserted, the last entry which we last entry, last string, last folder string, okay, last folder string like this, okay. And if you are able to get hold of that last folder string, we need not do all this result.size, these function calls, so that thing will be readily available to us. So just we need to use this last folder string here, in this place, and here what we need to do, that we can result dot, yeah, so all these things we need to remove. Okay, and that is and then before adding it to this, we'll do last folder string is equal to folder of I. Okay, and then what we will do, like this. Okay, and then we will go ahead and solve, run this. So let's see what is the effect of this on the runtime. So last folder string bad operand. Okay. So last folder string is equal to null. Okay, this will result in the boolean value. Okay, just a single string, standing alone string will not result in a boolean value, so we have to put a check over there. Now with this, it is more clear to us what is happening here, and then we'll just submit it. Perfect. So I hope this is clear to everybody. If you enjoyed this solution, please I'm really thankful to you for watching this. With this, happy coding, best wishes.